Sell the duplex.
and sell the duplex.
Yes.
Now, Dave Ramsey normally offers very practical advice, but I do not agree with this. For those of you who didn't watch the whole video, this gentleman called in. He bought a duplex last year. When he bought it and was living in one of the units, he was already cash flowing, and the other renter was covering the entire mortgage payment. Now, he and his wife are pregnant to have triplets, so they are moving up, purchasing a larger home, and he's on the fence on whether to sell that property or to keep it and continue to cash flow. First of all, having a duplex and having that situation is like finding a unicorn, especially when one of the renters is covering the entire mortgage payment. So let's just say one of the renters didn't pay, you'd still have enough rent from one of the units to cover the entire mortgage. Not to mention using that cash flow to cover the new mortgage payment and put yourself in a better financial position. This is exactly what my wife and I did, and it enabled us to buy our dream home.